You've studied English for years, built a solid vocabulary, and mastered complex tenses. Yet, when it's time to actually talk, your mind goes blank. We have all been there. In this video, I'll show you how to finally bridge the gap between theory and real conversation, so you can speak English confidently, not just correctly. Hi everyone, TomásSequesseque here, and this is day 88 of my 100-day challenge to study English and share a video every single day. I'm learning English on my own, and one thing I've realized is that knowing English and using English are two completely different skills. So, today let's talk about how to turn your grammar, vocabulary, and theory in real-life conversation power. 1. The problem knowing versus using English. Many English learners are great students but struggle as speakers. Why? Because most learning happens in silence. Reading, writing, repeating, but real communication happens in noise, emotion, and reactions. In a textbook, everything is calm. In a conversation, people interrupt, change topics, and speak fast. So the first step to bridging theory and reality is to accept the messiness of real communication. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be present and understood. Part 2. Strategy number 1. Turn passive into active output. You've probably watched movies, listened to podcasts, and read articles in English. That's passive input. But to speak fluently, you must activate it. Here's how. Shadow what you hear. Repeat phrases from shows, YouTube, videos, or podcasts, copying the rhythm and the tone. Transform input into speech. After watching or reading something, summarize it aloud in your own words. Speak to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself in English. Describe your day, your plans, or your truth. Every time you do this, you train your brain to produce English instead of recognizing it. Part 3. Strategy 2. Simulate real conversation. If you don't have native speakers to talk to, create your own practice space. Option 1. Record voice messages. Answer random English prompts from the internet. Option 2. Use AI tools or language exchange apps to chat with others. Option 3. Rehearse real-life situations, like ordering food, introducing yourselves, or job interviews. When you simulate real contexts, you prepare your brain for spontaneous thinking, the key to fluency. Part 4. Strategy number 3. Focus on communication, not perfection. Most learners freeze because they're afraid of mistake. But think about this. When a child learns to speak, they make mistakes constantly, yet they keep trying. The same is true for English. Your goal isn't to sound perfect. It's to be understood, natural, and confident. So next time you hesitate, ask yourself, do I want to sound perfect or do I want to connect? Real fluency starts the moment you choose connection. So remember, accept the missing of real English. Turn passive input into active output. Simulate conversations. Focus on connection, not perfection. Bridging the gap between theory and reality takes practice, but once you're across it, your English stops being something you start and becomes something you live. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to take their English from the classroom to the real world. See you tomorrow for day 89.